Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Peggy. I hope you are all doing really well today. So I'm back today with another sewing project, and today's project is a little bit more of a basic piece. For this spring season this year, I wanted to add a stretchable t-shirt style top to my wardrobe that was in more of a neutral color. I feel like I needed something little bit more neutral to mix and match with some different pieces in my wardrobe, and I'm really pleased with how this top turns out, and I did end up adding some tips and tricks on how to use a same patterns cutting to make two different designs of top. Yes, today I'm going to show you guys how to drop your own patterns by tracing out a couple of existing shirts you own at home. And in this video, I will be tracing a basic stretchable top. Please take note that tracing a stretchable top is slightly different compared to tracing a non-stretchable top. We need to be more careful on the amount of stretch of the fabric. And please make sure you stay till the end for more fashion styling tips with this basic top. for this project, and here is the look at how it turns out. I think the great things about this pattern is that I could always change the neckline or the sleeves and make it into so many different ways. And I love how this top turns out, and I really like the style of it. I think it's something that will translate well across the season and mix into my wardrobe seamlessly. If you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, I would love it if you would go ahead and do that now by pushing the red buttons down below to stay tuned for any of my future sewing projects. Thank you guys again for watching. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye!